Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on the video. All right, so today we're gonna be doing a few trips in Dallas.
Continue on Ridgeview Drive for 1 mile.
So we're currently on Ridgeview and we're heading from Plano into McKinney, Texas. It's raining, so there is gonna be a little bit more of a traffic today. All right, so this is gonna be a 15 minutes drive.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Independence Parkway. At the light, turn left onto Independence Parkway.
Everything brings me here.
Continue on Independence Parkway for 6 miles.
So the thing about this is that the GPS took me this route to go back on the same road that I was literally coming from. All right, so if I had driven the other exit, then it would have taken me, oh yeah, it would have taken me down this this stoplight, and then I could actually make the left to go over to that direction, but it took me this side. I think it's probably thinking about the traffic and all on the road, but yeah, there's not much. All right. Get those windows clean up for you guys. Yeah. right here they have like you know, office space, pharmacies, dental shop, veterinarian, hospital. And then to the left there's like, you know, nail bars. There's also a school there for elementary school. We have restaurants as well on this little stretch here. So we're on Lebanon Road heading into Frisco. So we'll be driving about 5.6 miles per the GPS, which is going to be an 11-minute drive to my first stop in McKinney. There is a high school or elementary, yeah, middle school over this side. It's called the Billy Thompson Vander Venter Middle School. And then you have the Richmonds to your left, which is a very nice, expensive gated community. Houses range from, I think it's the high 500s or 600 to $1 million, they said. Yeah. And over this side I was told that was more of a, like a farming community. And so, oh gee, the popo. And so you still have a few places that have not been developed because some persons decide to still keep their one cow or 2 cows on their land and still owning their, you know, their land. So not all the lands over here is actually developed. Persons still have small portions or pieces of land that they have decided to keep. Nelson Middle School to your right. This place has so many school districts. There's so many different elementary, middle school high school available. That's another school on your left here as well, Independence High School. Sorry you're not able to see it that much because I don't have a wider, you know, camera, so you can actually see more things, but for the most part you're able to see. Oh, let me get out of the Hammer Lane. Hammer Lane is only used if you're overtaking. All right, people. Villages of Stone Lake to your right, and then the amazing children Montessori dental, you know, children dentistry to your left. So as I say, almost every single community has the same thing there. We're passing on El Dorado Drive, and as I say, we're heading into Frisco. The time now is around 9:45 a.m. so it's not bad. Oh, there's a church right here to your right. Then you have, as usual, people driving very poorly on the road. I think we're in McKinney, because if you look to the left, well, probably you're not able to see it, but then you have this big like a sign to say McKinney, Texas, unique by nature. So usually one of those are in each town or city to identify where you're at. It's like a big what do you call it? I don't know if it's like a power station for electricity or it's something for water. But it's a very tall drum-like structure. Beautiful, people. Yeah, this is beautiful.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Virginia Parkway. Right onto Virginia Parkway. Continue on Virginia Parkway for half a mile. In a quarter mile, turn left onto Virginia Hills Drive.
This side. Alright, so now you can see that
Virginia Hills Drive, then turn right onto Newport Lane.
you can see that sign that says McKinney. Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Turn right onto Newport Lane, then your destination will be on the right.
And this is where we come to the end of our video for this little short trip into McKinney, Texas. Bye.